Ernest Yale, founder and CEO of Triotech. Hi everyone. Sorry I was late. True story, I was changing to my shirt for the new product and I forgot my badge in the stall. So I was waiting for 5 minutes to get my badge back. So I got it for me. Okay, so thank you everyone. Welcome back to Florida for us Florida residents. Today we're announcing a major new product for us. Triotech, we're known as a company who sells hundreds of theaters, XD Theater, XD Dark Ride, have been very successful. And this is a new platform, and hopefully for the next 10, 15 years, it's going to be a great product. And we're going to announce the first location today. So we're introducing this is the shirt I was changing in the stall where I forgot my, the Superfly. Superfly. That's how you should say it. And what is the Superfly? The Superfly blends a dynamic simulator, which we're known for, a flying theater, and 4D effects. The most important thing is that you're standing on the motion platform. So that's a different way of experiencing motion and 4D effects. So when you're standing, we think our tests have shown that you enhance the motion and you get a deeper immersion. Because we're all used, like you guys right now, we're all used to standing. So it's a different way of experiencing an attraction than sitting on a seat. Also, one of the main advantages, it has more capacity. So you can have 20% more people in the same space because you're standing. So that's a major advantage. Obviously, we're bringing a whole library of contents to this attraction. So the first location, they're probably going to do Christmas, they're going to do Halloween, so you can change your content. Year long, you can do educational content, you can do custom content, and that IP. So, the life of such a theater is 20 plus years. We have theaters which have been open for more than 20 years. So it's important to always change the content. What are the special effects? Their individual special effects are leg ticklers, there's wind in the platform, there's odor, which we've used on 40 seats before, very effective odor, water mist, and temperature, temperature effects, cold, warm. So the largest installation that we're announcing today is 46 people, but it's going to be scalable from anywhere from 24 to 100 plus people. But the first installation is going to be 46 people with 2 accessible seats. And again, could be scalable to more than 100 people. So this is going to be done in collaboration with NEBS Fun World, which is a great center in the suburbs of Toronto, Canada. It's in Oshawa. It's a great location. I have the owners here today. Family-owned business. Is really a great location. So to tell you more about NEBS, let me introduce you Jeff England, which is the owner of the location.
Well, first off, thank you for everyone coming here today. We appreciate it. To give a little background information on us, I'm actually 4th generation into the business. Our original location opened up in 1926, so almost 100 years as a company, and we're really proud of that. As Ernest was saying, we're east of Toronto in a city called Oshawa, and we own 130,000 square foot indoor, kind of evolving into a mini theme park now. We've got everything from, our origins was bowling, so we have 52 lanes of bowling, roller coaster, drop tower, a full restaurant, actually 2 eating areas, an XD dark ride, and obviously an arcade as well. We're really excited to bring this attraction to the Eastern GTA. We feel like the diversification of what we can offer, we really want to get into the seasonal business where we can really offer something to families and people of all ages to come and enjoy our attraction. And we want to partner with Triotech because they believe in our vision and they can bring it into reality for us. And we're really seasonal content's the key to bringing people back again and again. And we're excited for the project to take off.
So because of the timing, post-COVID and the delays, everything that happened, we also opened a great attraction in Salt Lake City. It's called Primordial, and I think it's one of the best indoor, outdoor, dark coasters in the world. The people from Lagoon, I'm sure the owners are here, I think somewhere, over there. I see Jimmy. So I don't see, okay, so the guys are here. Great park, Lagoon, north of Salt Lake City. And this is an incredible ride. It's a roller coaster with 2 surprise ending. There's a drop, there's a slide, there's a story. It's fully interactive. You are in your seat and you have a blaster and you interact with the content. And at the end, there's a big surprise where while you're interacting and shooting, the whole platform drops. So great reviews so far. We're very happy. But unfortunately, because of the timings of IAAPAs and everything, we were not able to do a press conference. We opened actually a month and a half ago. So I still want to show you a video and pay tribute to the great team at Lagoon. It's a 6-7 year project. These guys are great, and I urge you to visit Lagoon, Salt Lake City, and try Primordial. So let's see the video.
Step closer, brave warriors. Take your place.
Thank you, everyone. I see Dustin also. Dustin's there, so. Okay, thank you, everyone. Neb's Fun World, Oshawa, for the Superfly, which is going to be part of a larger offering as well. It's going to be revealed during the year. And Lagoon Park, Salt Lake City. So thank you, everyone.